Before I share with you my experience remodeling homes, let me touch on a delicate approach when updating homes going beyond this century. Every house has a story. Each brick, each beam, and every corner holds memories and whispers of the past, especially those charming old homes in historic neighborhoods. They stand as a beautiful reminder of the quality and care that went into building them. These homes have character. From the intricate woodwork to the vintage decor, every detail tells a story of a bygone era. Finding matching bricks from the era or recreating original and colorful exterior paint is a memory to last a lifetime. Restoration is not just about maintaining a structure, it's about keeping the spirit of the past alive and giving the homes new life for more generations to build their memories. I know several people who lived in centennial homes and took care to make them better and stronger. Their effort was well rewarded when they were ready to part with their home to find another one. There's a pride in building home and making it your own. Homes that are loved and maintained usually appreciate 3 to 4% per year. This is called passive appreciation. That is why your parents' home they bought for $70,000 is now worth $330,000. Any older building went through many owners, each doing what they thought was best. I have uncovered many beautiful original hardwood floors under the worn-out carpet. Perhaps you did too, just to run into a predicament when an old addition cut into it. As we try to accommodate new heating and cooling and more baths and storage, we run into obstacles in finding the right space. Even the stunning wooden windows with weights hidden in the walls are hard to let go of when replacing them with practical and efficient double or even triple glass windows. Proper planning and adherence to guidelines can save you time, money, and a lot of headaches. While some things can be grandfathered, other updates, no matter how reasonable they might be, might fall into the category requiring approval by the local historical society. You honor the past while making it new again. The result is a home that respects its history while providing comfort and beauty for the future. Don't miss out! Click like and subscribe for more home remodeling tips. Now let's talk about money. Flipping houses might seem tempting when seeing it on TV, but there's something special about investing in your own home. It's not just about making a profit, it's about creating a place you love. When you put your own sweat equity into your home, you get so much more out of it. It's hard work, no doubt, but the rewards are worth it. Plus, there are tax benefits to consider. You can often deduct mortgage interest and property taxes on your primary residence, and possibly not even pay the income when you sell your home. That's a big deal. You cannot do this with a flip. Remember, your home should be your haven. It's an investment in your happiness and your future financial independence. You don't always have to do a major renovation to increase your home's value. Sometimes the most impactful changes are the simplest ones. Sometimes it's deep cleaning and allowing light shine through that makes a big difference. Small updates can transform the look and feel of your home without breaking the bank. Fresh paint is a game changer. A new coat of paint can brighten up any room and make it feel brand new. It's one of the easiest and most cost-effective ways to refresh your space. Choose colors that complement the style of your home. Whether you prefer bold, vibrant hues or soft, neutral tones, the right color can set the mood and enhance your decor. If unsure, consult with local paint stores, professional painters and realtors who can advise you on the popular color palette. Don't forget about the details. Updated door hardware, new light fixtures, and other small touches can add an upscale and sophisticated feel to your home. A stylish backsplash in the kitchen can make a world of difference. It not only protects your walls, but also adds a touch of elegance and personality to your cooking space. These small upgrades show that you care about your home. They reflect your attention to detail and your commitment to maintaining a beautiful living environment. Remember, you're aiming for a polished and inviting look. A well-decorated space can make your home feel more welcoming and comfortable for both you and your guests. Think about what would make you excited to come home every day. Your home should be a place of joy and relaxation, where every little touch contributes to a big impact. Ready to start your home transformation? Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on boosting your home's value. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who might find it helpful. Let's make your home the best it can be. We've all been there. Life gets busy and clutter starts to accumulate. But when it comes to your home, a little decluttering can go a long way. A clean and organized home feels more spacious and inviting. It allows potential buyers to envision themselves living there. Get rid of anything you don't use or love. Once you've decluttered, it's time to add some memorable accents. Elegant lamps, inviting pillows, and memorable artwork, and meaningful objects can make your house feel like a home. But don't go overboard. You want your personality to shine through without overwhelming the space. Aim for a curated and balanced look. Ready to transform your home? Start decluttering today and see the difference. Subscribe for more tips and tricks. Section 5. Expanding your living space. Outdoors. Don't forget about the great outdoors. Your backyard can be an extension of your home, offering a place to unwind and connect with nature. Enhancing your outdoor living spaces can significantly increase your home's value and make it more enjoyable for you. Consider adding a deck, patio, or outdoor kitchen. These additions not only provide extra space but also create a perfect setting for social gatherings. These spaces are perfect for entertaining or simply relaxing in the fresh air. Imagine having a cozy corner to read a book or a spacious area to host parties. Imagine enjoying your morning coffee on a beautiful patio, surrounded by the sounds of nature and the warmth of the morning sun, or hosting summer barbecues in your own backyard oasis. It's a great way to bring family and friends together. If you have the space and budget, a pool can be a fantastic improvement. It not only offers a comfortable lifestyle, but also serves as a focal point for outdoor activities. If you are considering selling your home with a pool, spring and summer are the best times to find more buyers enticed by the pool more than the house. A pool adds a touch of luxury and provides endless hours of fun for family and friends. Kids will love splashing around, and adults can enjoy a refreshing dip on hot days. Just remember to keep your outdoor spaces well maintained. Regular upkeep ensures that your outdoor areas remain inviting and functional. A little landscaping can go a long way in creating a welcoming and inviting atmosphere. Planting flowers, trimming bushes, and maintaining a green lawn can transform your backyard into a beautiful retreat. Or if easy to maintain xeriscaping is your choice, create clear outlines and enjoy every moment in it. So take the time to invest in your outdoor spaces. Whether it's a small garden or a large patio, these areas can enhance your living experience and provide a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Section 6. Sharing your home landlord lessons. Being a landlord can be a great way to generate passive income and build long-term wealth. But it's not without its challenges. You'll need to screen tenants carefully, handle maintenance requests promptly, and be prepared for the occasional vacancy. It's important to treat your rental property like a business. Set clear expectations with your tenants and stay organized. It is also important to understand taxation, especially when selling your rental property to invest in something else. There is a 1031 tax exchange you might want to look into. While long-term renting takes some time before it becomes profitable, short-term renting has become popular in recent years. You might have stayed at Airbnb or similar home-like place while traveling. Some of these beds and breakfasts are rented just during holidays and weekends to help owners financially. The others are set up to be a full-time short-term rental properties, fully furnished, while retaining the feel of home versus a hotel. Short-term renting offers considerably more income potential, which comes with more work, wear and tear, taxation, and limitations where it is allowed. Most apartment complexes and homes with homeowner associations do not wish non-residents to come and go, and some have rules prohibiting short-term renting. Remember, being a landlord is a big responsibility, but with the right approach, it can be a rewarding experience. Never stop learning, never stop growing. The real estate world is constantly changing. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. That's why it's crucial to never stop learning, and always consult with real estate experts, including lenders, realtors, and accountants. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions. And don't be afraid to share your knowledge with others. Teaching is one of the best ways to solidify your understanding. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the real estate world. The more you learn, the more you can achieve in getting to your financial independence. Your home, your future. Improving your home is about more than just increasing its value. It's about creating a space you love, a place where you can relax, recharge, and make lasting memories. It's about building a solid financial foundation for yourself and your family. And it's about having the freedom to live life on your terms. So go ahead, dream big. Consider adding value to your home by creating an extra bedroom from an oddly shaped living room. Ensure it has a window, a closet, and the right dimensions. Or think about adding a bathroom, even a half bath, to provide privacy and save time during busy mornings. Are you adventurous enough to build an addition to your house instead of upsizing? Always consult experienced professionals to avoid overlooking important details. Tackle those home improvement projects you've been putting off. Learn everything you can about real estate, and never stop believing in the power of hard work and determination. You've got this. Ready to get started? Leave your comments to see what else you want to know about. Let's make your dream home a reality. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips and tricks. Hit the bell icon to stay updated.